Rice Genome Project. Scientific name of rice is Oryza sativa, that is Asian rice. Very first in 1998, this project was launched. The name was IRGSP, International Rice Genome Sequencing Project. The scientists Monsanto and Syngenta in 2000 published it, and later on it was completed in 2006. So rice has 12 pairs chromosome which are diploid, means total number of 24 number of chromosome it has, and its genome size is very small, only 430 megabase pair are present. So why rice? What is Rice Genome Project? It is the first genome of a crop plant. That means very first scientists have discovered the genome of rice plant, which was very simple, and the genome was sequenced. They identified the genome and sequenced it. Okay. So why they have chosen rice plant? Like Mendel has chosen pea plant. So why scientists have chosen rice plant to study the genome? Because it belongs to the monopod grass family, and it shows the biodiversity, different variety of rice crops you are finding, and it has collinearity, means similarity with other monopods like wheat, barley, maize, etc. And its genetic system is also very simple, diploid and disomic, means the chromosomes make pairing with homologous chromosome. Let us study the salient features of Rice Genome Project. This genome is made up of 389 megabases, out of which 370 megabase has been sequenced, and 99% are euchromatin, means functional, and only 1% are non-functional. Right? Rice genome has 40,000 genes, out of which 37,344 are coding genes and very few are non-coding genes. Okay. Now, what is the application? By understanding the genome of rice, we can find out the good crop plant which is having good productivity. So, evolution method we can understand. We can grow the crop variety which are having good efficient rice breed we can produce, and nutrition value also of the rice we can improve, like by genetically modifying the rice crop. Scientists have grown golden rice. You know that rice is rich in which nutrient? Carbohydrate. Yes, dear. So rice is rich in carbohydrate, but in some countries like Africa, where the people depend only on rice, so the government has introduced some nutrients or mineral, other nutrients like vitamin A is mixed in that rice. So such rice variety have been grown, that is called golden rice, genetically modified crop. So development to improve rice variety also have been done, and nowadays we are growing such rice crop which can withstand with different various harsh environment condition, and productivity of good, seed quality of good, disease resistant plant, and with higher crop yield. Such kind of rice plants are grown